Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify not playing downloaded music. So let's get into it. Number 1, restart your device. The first solution you can try is to restart your device. By restarting your device, the system will be refreshed and it may help you clear some glitches on the Spotify app that prevents you from playing downloaded songs. Number 2, update Spotify. Updates to apps usually bring new features and, most importantly, bug fixes. So you can update the Spotify app on your device and see if it solves your problem. Number 3, free up storage. If you are one of Spotify premium users and find Spotify downloaded music not playing, make sure you have enough storage space on your phone. It is possible that you have downloaded a lot of songs and you don't have enough storage space to use the app smoothly right now. Therefore, you should clear Spotify cache to free up storage on your device. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.